Aim it at me. Aim it at me. This is called messing with the cats. Come on. Aim it. Get it. There's another kitty. My shoe keeps on doing. Look, Jared, let me do it. Jared, let me do it. You don't know how to do it. You don't know how to do it. Like, film me. Go over there. Run up, make sure you. Where did it go? Oh shit, I'll go the other way. Oh. What? What fence?
This fence that used to be here?
Why?
I don't know.
Quietly. Oh shit. What house should I choose? Should I get that one? Or no, maybe I keep moving. I don't know. What's that smell? Is that a blue? That's a. What is that? 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 Stop. What is that? What is that? What is it? What is it? Ah! Oh, what is it? What is that? What is that? Oh, okay. I choose this house. I choose that. This house.
Yeehaw! This house is my impression of a cowgirl. Yeehaw! This is my impression of a cowgirl.
If the cat is dead, the cat is dead. We got it. What the? The cat is coming to the rescue. It came back to life. Those are fine girls. I want to choose that house because it has other cats there. Yeah. Ah, oh god.
They always hang out at Xavier's house.
Okay. We have officially lost the cats. This is a failure of messing with the cats. Yeah, do the little baby face.